Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Brad.
Yeah,
I
what's
have
up?
a question.
Go ahead.
If you are married to a U.S. citizen and they walk out on you, what's the best option to go about looking about your papers?
Well, unless you are an abused spouse, either emotionally or physically, you would need to get divorced and try again and try to fall in love again and make sure that you make a better decision the second time around.
Okay, so you say I could go through it by abuse as well?
If there was abuse in the
Because
relationship.
we have went on the interview and there were certain circumstances. That's
Right.
why
Well, you may want
and they
to
give us a second interview.
you may want to come in and talk about the emotional or physical abuse that you believe happened, and if it's substantial enough and extreme enough, by all means, you could file an abuse case.
Okay, so
All right.
I could come in and see you then.
Absolutely, yeah. Let me give you the number. It's 1-800-522-0804.
All right, thank you very
Thank
much.
you. All right, let's go to this call right here. Hello, you're on the radio.
Yes, Mr. Bernstein. Good afternoon.
How are you? Good.
All right. I got a quick question for you. My mother-in-law filed for her two children. They both over 21, unmarried. She has a green card. Their priority dates are September 13th.
What year?
They already received of 2006.
Okay.
They already received a letter of approval. Can you say when they would have an interview or how much longer?
Two plus years. You're like the lady who called. You're like the lady who called before. They're just backed up. It's about 2 years away.
It's about 2 years away?
Yeah.
Okay, very
All right,
good.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right. 1-800-522-0804. That is the number to call. 1-800-522-0804. Let's go to this line right here. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. I have a question, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I was migrated in the country in 1986, so my green card doesn't have an expiration date on it.
Right.
Can I still travel on that green card?
Yeah, but they may hassle you when you come back, but by all means, yes, you can travel on it.
Okay, if not, I should renew it.
Renew it or become a citizen. I mean, they will let you back in the country. They'll give you a little bit of a hassle, but they'll let you back in the country. They'll tell you you have to renew it, Miss whatever your name is. But
Right,
but
save my
they'll let you back
paper.
in.
Okay, and
All right.
another question.
Yeah.
My husband misplaced his green card, so what he needs to do to get it back?
An I-90 application.
I-90 application?
And you can do it right online. You can do. Yeah, it's
how much it is to do that?
$450 filing fee.
$450, and go online is good.
And you can go right online and do it
Okay.
at uscis.gov.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so
All
much.
right. 1-800-522-0804. I guess with there's like a million lawyers on the station now, I guess, that we have gone through and answered everybody's questions because I have nobody online here. Let me talk about my criminal defense department a little bit. I have a gentleman by the name of Michael Biniakwitz who works with me at Spar and Bernstein. He is a former district attorney. He has defended, 30 plus trials in the last 12, 18 months. And he has been successful in, I think, all but 2 or 3. And what I mean by how I term successful in the sense that the person got a better deal than what was plea bargained out or offered by the district attorney. And we do have some people calling right now, Mr. Engineer. If you have a situation where you want to walk in and plea bargain something out on your first day, don't give us a call. We're not for you. If you are serious about making the government prove your guilt, and you're serious about maintaining your innocence and your clean record, give us a call, because that's what we strive to do for people. And let me give you our special telephone number for our criminal defense department. It's 1-800-28-CRIME, 1-800-282-7463. That's 1-800-282-7463. Let's go to this line right here. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
Yes. The question I do have is, I'm married over 21. My mother is a citizen. She's filing for me. When my priority date comes, where do I pick up my
It
papers?
depends if are you in status right now?
No.
Okay. Did you have anything filed before April 30th, 2001?
Yes, but it wasn't a family
What was it?
petition.
What was it?
It was work employment. I wasn't the one I was going to benefit from the person filing.
Well, you got to be 245I eligible. So what I would suggest you do is make an appointment to come see me, bring in what you did, and let me see if that makes you 245I eligible. And then I can tell you.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. 1-800-522-0804. And lo and behold, the entire board is now lit up like a Christmas tree, just when I'm about to get off the air in 2 minutes, which is a good lesson for everybody. Please call earlier so I can get everybody's immigration questions in. Let's go to one more call. That's all we have. I apologize for everybody else who's on hold. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello, Brad.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, quick question. My nephew is being filed for by his wife up here. The filing papers went through and everything. Now, the lawyers that she worked with is telling her that the only thing that's holding her back is that her 2009-2010 tax year, but she didn't work those 2 years, and I did the affidavit of support. Is that something that can hold back the paperwork?
No, she has to sign an affidavit of support, but you could always get a second affidavit of support, so it's not the end of the world.
So the 2009 does not stop it then?
The main petitioner, if the main petitioner hasn't worked and you can get an affidavit of support from a second person like you, it's perfectly fine.
Right.
Okay? Still has to sign the affidavit of
So
support,
that
though.
doesn't stop it. All right.
Yeah, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank
Brad.
you.
Okay.
All right, and I appreciate everybody calling now. I'm sorry that I'm not able to get to everybody, but give me a call at my office, set up a consultation, come in. It's absolutely free in the month of November. Let me give you the telephone number. It's 1-800-522-0804. That's 1-800-522-0804. That is the telephone number